So friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing troubleshooting problem in your Gcash app, when you try to log in or opening the Gcash app, it will back automatically to your home screen. So guys, watch this video till end, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow these steps. The first step is go to your phone settings, and after going to your phone settings, you have to search for developer options here. After searching for developer options, your developer options will be shown on your screen. So guys, you have to select these developer option here, and after clicking on this developer option, if your developer option turn on, so guys, you have to turn off this developer option. Okay, after turning off the developer options, you have to go back on the options settings list, and after you have to press the apps button here. Okay, now after pressing the apps button, you have to click on the manage apps button. Now you have to search for Gcash app here. After searching for Gcash app, you have to select it and then select the storage button. And now firstly you have to click on the clear data button. Then first you have to clear the cache and press the OK button. And after this you have to clear all data and press the OK button. Now the Gcash app will be refreshed, and then you have to open your Gcash app after restarting your phone. Okay, then after opening the Gcash app, your Gcash app will working properly without any troubleshooting problem. If you guys having any other problem in your Gcash app, so guys, you have to comment me, and this process is helpful for you, so you have to try these ways to solve this problem in Gcash app. I hope guys you understand what I am saying. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.